Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to use Gemini AI to edit photos and other images. You can do this with a free Google account or with a pro Google Workspace account. We'll go over how to use the Gemini AI app itself to generate and edit photos, and another way to edit photos with Nano Banana using the Google Vids app, which has the added benefit of generating images without watermarks. Anytime you're logged into a Google Workspace Pro account, you'll see the Gemini AI symbol in the top right corner. On a free account, you won't see this, but you still have access to the free versions of Gemini and Nano Banana AI via the app menu, which is also in the top right corner. The two Google apps we'll be using from the free Google Drive account are Gemini AI and Google Vids. Here we are in the free version of the Gemini AI app. You can access this via the Gemini mobile app as well, but I prefer working on my computer most of the time. I just provided Gemini with a simple prompt about a woman brainstorming business ideas, and Nano Banana produced this high-quality image in seconds. Here's another high-quality image example with an entirely different style. I use descriptors like technopunk cyborg to achieve this aesthetic. At this point, I can continue prompting Gemini via the chat interface, and it will edit and recreate my image as requested using Nano Banana. But there's another way we can use Google AI to create and edit images, and if you want to remove the watermarks, this is a key point. Let's take a look inside the Google Vids app. When you start a new project in Google Vids, it looks like this. The interface here changes over time, so you may need to click on the icon that says Generate, or Images, or something like that. That opens the Google Vids image generator and editor, which is one of the best ways to access Nano Banana. Go to Insert on the top menu and select Upload. This will load the image into the studio space. Here we have our lovely image of an entrepreneur coming up with her next big project. Once we've selected Edit Image, we can prompt Nano Banana to edit the image or recreate with new specifics, the same way as in the Gemini AI chat interface. Based on my own experiments, I think the Vids app creates higher quality photos, and since it's also able to remove watermarks and create images without watermarks, I tend to prefer it for a lot of my work. Thank you for watching AI copywriting tools. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what topics I should cover next in the comments.